Craft is a stool cover, and what I did was recycled shirts that I didn't want anymore, and I cut them into strips and braided them so that I could make a circular rope type formation by just sewing with my plastic needle that has a pretty wide mouth on it for yarn. And I just went round and round and round and just kind of whip stitched some yarn that was similar color, but obviously not exactly the same color, and thought that would give it some lift in texture and look. And so then it kept falling off the stool, so I decided to take another part of a shirt, and I'll just take this off for a second. What I did, this is the back side. You'll have knots and things like that, which you won't see. You could also cover that as well if you wanted to continue. So then I just hand stitched with needle and thread a piece of material to make it hold on to the stool itself, and I sewed it so I could put a cord made also out of yarn, twisted yarn, into like a rope. And you could actually braid it if you wanted to too. So this is just it's looped over and stitched. Not the best here, I have to finish it yet. And then you push the cord through with, I used a paper clip, just hooked it on, and then fed it through. And then if you need to tighten it, you just push it up like this and tie a bow. Doing this with one hand because it's got the camera. You could just leave it hanging or tie a bow or a knot, and it looks alright, I think, and it won't fall off on the floor now. So it's fun. I was going to make a rug from it, but then it didn't get that large as I thought maybe it would. I mean, you could keep going and make a rug too, and people have done this in the past. It's a rag rug, basically. So that's the craft I have. I hope you like that. It's not all that difficult. You just kind of have to plunge in, and yours might look different than mine, but that's okay. As long as you're creative. Okay. Thanks for watching the craft today.